Today we are going to learn about 80. Which word is end with 80? Let's start. This word is end with 80. First is b, b, b. And it's bed. Bed spelling is b, t, t, t. B, et, bed. Very good. Good job. Repeat again. B, एट बेड. फर्स्ट आपको पहला वर्ड पढ़ना है और फिर अगले दोनों वर्ड साथ पढ़ने हैं. ब एट. वेरी गुड. नाउ दिस वर्ड इज कैट. फर्स्ट फाइंड स्पेलिंग विथ मी. ख ख ख अ ए एंड ठ ठ ठ. वेरी गुड. वेल डन. ग्रेट जॉब. यू कैन डू इट. ख एट कैट. Very good. Now this is head. First we will pick up h. H is h. Now we will find et. A. And now we will find t. Head. Now next word is mat. M a t. Mat. Very good. Good job. It. Very good. Now next word is red. R A T. Very good. Well done. Great job. Red. Now next word is set. Sound is very good. A T. Set. Very good. Sit. Very good. Sit. Very good. Now next word is pet. P. First you have to pick up p, then it, and t. Very good. Great job. You can do it. Well done. Excellent. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.